Jill DeWitt, co-founder of Land Academy here with a cool announcement for you. This Tuesday, February 28th at 4 o'clock Pacific time, 8 o'clock Eastern time, my partner, Stephen Jack Vitala, and I will be live to talk to you about what you need to know to thrive in 2023 from experienced land investors like us. Yes, this is special because not only will I be me, but my partner, Jack, will be there too. He doesn't normally do this stuff, so I'm so excited to get him to join us. This is the kind of thing that we talk about all the time within Land Academy. What is Land Academy? Land Academy is an environment where we can teach you to either start or grow your land investing business like us. We are all here in Land Academy making our own money, to be our own bosses and do whatever it is, fill in the blank. So stay with me too, all the way to the end, because I will have a live special offer for you if you're thinking about joining Land Academy, and some free bonus material just for showing up. So don't forget, join both of us live Tuesday, February 28th, 4 o'clock Pacific, 8 o'clock Eastern time. Sign up, be there, we'll see you. Thanks.